Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I do normally upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. However, I'm uploading a lot more recently. As you can tell, I am still a little bit poorly, but we are powering through. I'm trying to film quite a few different types of videos today, so you're probably hearing my croaky voice quite a few times now. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be unboxing the Revolution Pro and Amanda Holden 12-day advent calendar. I thought this was such like a random collab together, but I think Amanda Holden's hilarious, so I'm just going with the flow. So this is obviously the 12-day advent calendar, and then when it opens up, it looks like this. You all will know the crack by now. Just in case you don't know, I do have a discount code for Revolution. It is up on my screen right now. It gets you 20% off. It's a code Luce20, but it's just for the UK, US and the Australian website. I unfortunately don't have a code for the other ones. I'm really sorry. I'm just working with what I'm working with. Don't earn any money from the code. You all know this by now. It just helps to save some money, and obviously every little helps nowadays. Do you know what I mean? So let's see how much this bad boy actually costs. You'll all know by now as well that obviously I work for Revolution Monday to Friday, 9 till 5. However, I do not get paid for any videos that I film for my own YouTube channel. It's not part of my contract. I very rarely make any content for them anymore, to be fair. I'm working more on like the brand side of things now than necessarily like the content creation side. But this bad boy retails for £60. The day that I'm filming this, which is, I don't know what day we're on today, Sunday the 6th of November, it is currently on sale for £42, and it says that it's actually worth £88. So obviously depending if you get it in the sale for £42, if you wanted to pick it up, or if it went back to full price, obviously you can use my discount code if you're in the UK, US or Australia. So working it off at the full price without using any discount code or without it being in the sale, each door would be worth £5. So let's see whether it actually is worth your money. Because obviously it is more of a spenny one, with it only being a 12-day one. So Amanda Holden, you better not let me down. Day number 1. Ooh, and it says in the bottom, scan me for a video tutorial. Okay, so I've just scanned it, and it takes you, so I think each door has a little QR code and you can scan each one, and it basically takes you to a video of Amanda Holden talking through the product and what's behind that day. The reason I know this is because I was actually the person who uploaded these to YouTube for the QR codes, but I didn't realise the QR codes were on the actual days themselves. This is, to be fair, this is what really made me interested in this advent calendar, is because obviously I was the one who uploaded it to the YouTube privately, so no one could see it. It was just like for QR code use, and the videos are hilarious. Like her personality is so funny, and she made me like interested in things that I wasn't even particularly like would have been interested in before. Like she just sold stuff to me. So that was quite a while ago. Like that was a month ago that I uploaded that to YouTube. So can't really remember what is in the, we'll soon find out. So every single door has a QR code that takes you to an exclusive Amanda Holden video that obviously you can only see if you have the advent calendar. So yeah, let's go into day 1. I really can't remember what's in these. Ooh, okay, so the first thing that we have is the Revolution Pro Rockstar Hydrate and Shine Lipstick. This one is in the shade Stripped. So I'm just looking on the website, and it says that it features 12 days of her must-have Revolution Pro beauty products plus new and exclusive products designed by Amanda herself. So like I said, the first one obviously has that Stripped lipstick. I actually have this one, so I'll show you my well-loved one and do a little swatcheroo, because I'll give that one to somebody else to get some use out of it, so I'm not using 2 up at the same time. A really, really pretty lipstick. I do really like the Revolution Pro lipsticks. I find that I reach for them more than I reach for like the normal like satin kiss ones from Rev. Definitely reach for the Revolution Pro ones more. So yeah, that is day number 1. Moving on to day number 2. In this one we have, ooh, so this is obviously one of the Amanda Holden exclusive ones that has like her name on it, and this is a kabuki brush. Always reminds me of my mum these, because like it used to be like a handbag essential, and she used to put like her Avon bronze and pearls on with like a brush like this. Yeah, what a throwback. And then the balls used to get stuck in it, and you'll put it on and then the ball would fall out. But yeah, that is the Amanda Holden kabuki brush, and then obviously you can just put it in your handbag and it's all protected. You're not going to get your handbag all dirty. Next up we have day number 3. Ooh, okay, so we have some pink Amanda Holden eyelash curlers, like hot pink ones. So another exclusive product. Sounds really weird, but I really like the feel of the like that fabricy bit there. Okay, that feels really nice. So that is some eyelash curlers. Don't know why I was so fascinated by them. Moving on to day number 4, which is like a longer one. Ooh, we have a lip liner. This is obviously the stripped lip liner, makes sense, to match with the lipsticks. Just looks like this. Obviously it matches perfectly. And then for day number 5, so far I'm quite like happy. I wouldn't really say the kabuki brush would be worth like a full $5, but it probably would be more. Probably would be that much anyway, I would have thought, with it being like a celebrity kind of one. Ooh, okay, so for day number 5, we have some hair clips. I actually need some of these because I have a lot of like these ones, like the smaller ones, but sometimes I need like something just clip like my full fringe back. So yeah, we have 2. Would I pay £5 for them? I probably wouldn't be that like thingy, but if it was a celebrity inspired one, I was going to pay £10 for Vive ones, just because it was Jamie Genevieve and they were gold. So maybe I would pay £5 for them, because clearly I'm a bit bougie sometimes. But yeah, that is day number 5. I'll let you decide on that one. Ooh, this one is amazing for the price. We have day number 6 next. This is the Revolution Pro Extreme Lash Volumized Mascara. So you get a full size mascara behind this door for £5. Sign me up. I love a bit of that. Day number 7 is like a long skinny one, and in this one we have brushes. Yes, we have brushes. First of all, the full size, so they're not like little itty bitty travel ones, but we have 3 in the actual like one box, which is amazing for £5, like unbelievable for £5. But they're all like shapes that I would actually use as brushes, if that makes sense. Like sometimes you'll get like a weird shaped one, or you get like a angled brow brush and it's like I don't need any more of them, but I need as many eyeshadow blender brushes as possible, so I'd have to clean them as often. And this is exactly what I would use: a nice angled one, a fluffy one, like a packing on one, especially like for smoking out lower lash line. Very, very, very happy with that. Okay, very, very happy. So that is day number 7. Then we have day number 8, which is like another long skinny one. This one is, ooh, okay, this is a Revolution Pro Visionary Eyeliner in the shade Starry, and it's a gel eyeliner. And this retails for £5, so you are getting like the same money worth for that one for day number 8. And then we have day 9 and 10, and then underneath day 9 and 10 is like number 11 and 12, if that makes any sense. So for day 9, just looks like this. And then this one, ooh, it's another Amanda Holden exclusive one. I really like the colour story that she's gone for, like the hot pink. I'm really enjoying that. Yeah, so this one has the blotting powders inside. Just looks like this. We have a little try. I don't know how greasy I'm going to be, but I have been filming for quite a bit, so who knows. A little bit, yeah. You can. Oh yeah, God, yeah, you can see it, can't you? Okay, I've never used a blotting powder before, a blotting sheet before. I don't think. Do me tash. Obviously, I have got some lipstick on it because it's me. But can you see anything? Yeah, you can. Ooh, okay. Pleasantly surprised by that. Maybe I need to take them for a night out. So yeah, that is the blotting powders. Thank you very much. Good for party season. Might take them out for my birthday night out in December. Oh my God, then we have day number 10, which is a really heavy one. I'm pretty sure I saw that there was a palette in here. No, it's not a palette. It was a compact mirror. I'm lying. It's a really heavy compact mirror because I thought it was a palette. So this is the Amanda Holden compact mirror. This is like fat. Like this is like a good quality compact mirror. One side's like magnified. Oh God. Do I need to see myself that closer? Oh my God, I've got lipstick all over here now. I actually, for once in my life, I'm not going to slag off that it's a compact mirror because it feels heavy duty. Like it feels like a good quality compact mirror, not like the ones that you would expect to cost like 10p. Then we have day 11, which is another heavy one. So I'm assuming this is going to be the eyeshadow palette. It looks like it. Let's have a little look. Hello, look. This is the Revolution Pro Ultimate Eye Look palette, a combination of complementing shadows and a jewel encrusted palette. Diamonds and pearls. That is beautiful, like very classy. And then inside looks like this. I don't actually own this. This is stunning. Why don't I own this? How much is this worth? This is worth £10. Wow, so you're getting it for half price, you're getting it for £5. Assuming that you're not getting it in the sale and assuming that you're not using my discount code as well if you're buying this full price. Wow, so we have 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. I'm going to have to swatch this. Y'all come on home with me. You are beautiful. Wow. It feels so soft. There's like a little wave in the, it's like my demonstration of a wave. Like a little wave in the actual palette. That gold. Stop. Oh my god, the lighter shimmer is the exact same formula. It is so intense and buttery. Wow, what? Oh my god, this is beautiful. Why did I not have this palette before? Stop. Stop, that is stunning. Wow. Just wow. I'm going to show you up close up because it's just beautiful. I'm sorry. I'm even losing my voice because of it. It's beautiful. Wow. You're staying with me, baby. And then last but not least, that was day number 11. I would have been happy to just finish on that because I thought day number 11 just hit. She was banging. And then day 12 feels like another heavy one. What the hell's behind? Ooh, I think this is a shimmer brick if I remember rightly from the videos that I uploaded. Yeah, so this is the Goddess Glow shimmer brick in Sublime. I actually already have this. Where did I put it though? I already have this, but I just can't find it. I think it's like tucked right at the back. So I'll just quickly open it. So this is from the Goddess Glow collection that I did like a review on before I worked for Revolution. Like I bought the full collection because I was just obsessed with it. Like I even bought the cosmetic bag because I just loved the vibe of the collection. So this is what it looks like. This is the Sublime one. There was like a couple of ones that had like different fronts, if I remember rightly. And then this is what it looks like. And I'm pretty sure this is the one that I picked because it's beautiful. Oh, that's what it looks like. So yeah. That I'm very, very, very happy. Like the last 2 days just hit different. Wow. Yeah, very, very happy with that. And again, very happy to pay £5 for that. Wow. Wow, okay. So yeah, that is everything that's in this advent calendar. I'd love to know what you think. Like, is it something that you would pick up if it was in the sale or you'd pick up with my code? Please let me know in the comments down below. Isn't it just like random, like Amanda Holden? But they have been working with her a lot recently. I've seen like her on Revolution Pro's like channels, but I've also seen her. Oh my god, I thought it was a spider and it's an eyelash stuck to my my Nana's blade thing. And I've seen her do like loads of like mentions of Revolution like in her videos as well. So it makes sense like it in a way, but also it just felt very random to me. So yeah, I'm excited to see what more there is to come. I think she's got like an edit box of them as well. Yeah, she's got a edit box which costs £35, and to be fair, you get quite a lot in that edit box, you know. Yeah, I'm excited to see if she does any more edits with Revolution or anything else in the future. Yeah, I was actually quite pleasantly surprised by that. I didn't really know what to expect. I'd love to know what you think, whether that was what you were expecting in this advent calendar. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon, most likely tomorrow because I have been uploading all the time recently. So yeah, love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.